Have you ever heard of gooseberry jam or juice? Well, entrepreneurial farmers have found a way of employing a light manufacturing to add value to the fruit. The process begins when the farmer delivers the fruit, which is carefully sorted based on its color, physical appearance, and size.
In English, it's Cape gooseberry, but it has different languages. Kikuyus call it Nadi, Kalenjis call it Mbonik, Kisis call it Chensobosobo, and all other communities somehow had that particular fruit that used to grow in the wild. Seeds, Calro provides us first with the seeds, then we work with a partner called the Veg Pride who develop the seedlings for us, then we sell to the farmers. Then once farmers have bought the product, the seeds, they go and germinate, grow it, and then within 5 months, they are able to start harvesting. This is a crop that is a perennial crop that can grow throughout the year. But it just takes about 5 months for it to actually start yielding fruits. It's a crop that doesn't have a lot of requirements in terms of inputs. It doesn't require a lot of water. It's also pest resistant, so we hardly use chemicals to actually grow the crop. So it is a very easy and a good, productive and valuable crop for small-scale farmers to engage in. In terms of products, I think we had to engage experts who we work with. Kirdi is one of the organizations that we worked with, and Nairobi University, they've also been able to help us, and JQuat. So these are institutions that are heavily involved in researching to come up with this kind of products. And it just required an innovative mind to think of what can we do with the berry. All the products that are out here in the market, we can still use this berry to do all those products, but it just needs a bit of innovation and a bit of specialized people to come and develop those products. That's how we have been able to develop the jam. We have those sources, and all those things have just been supported by experts, food scientists who are out here. Those are the people who have been able to develop. The unfortunate bit is that gooseberry is a new product in the market. So most of the machines that we would have used have not been able to work for us. We work with an organization called DK. They were able to bring in some machines, and we did some trials, and it just didn't work with the fruit. So they have actually gone back to actually rework to see how best we can come up with machines that can be able to do pulping, that can be able to do processing of the juice, because once you process the juice, you need to pack.